First, we carefully mount both of our motors.
This is my pulley belt generator. Spinning this wheel generates electricity, making the LED bulb light up. Everything is sealed and ready for testing. Let's see how much the temperature rises.
As the visible light enters, the heat is trapped inside. That's why the thermometer keeps showing a higher reading. Welcome to my solar water heater demonstration. Water flows through the black PVC coil. As you can see, the temperature is rising rapidly. Direct sunlight does all the work. Thanks for watching this engineering demo.
Watch what happens when I touch the sensor. And with another touch, it turns off. It is as simple as that. Today we are building a hand crank generator. First, secure the motor. Now we just add the gears. And it is ready to test. Watch what happens when I turn this crank. The gears spin the motor, generating electricity. The LED bulb light up. It's a clean and renewable way to make power. Thank you for checking out my project.
Sunlight drives the warm air up through the dryer, removing moisture and preserving the fruit naturally. Look at these perfect dried snacks.